Okay everybody, today we brought you this Kia BONGO III double cab 4-wheel drive for WD. It's 2004, white color. Let's take a look at it and review it for you guys. Let's move on. Alright, here's the door. The door also looks like it's in a very good condition here. Here's the other door from the passenger side here. Very clean. Door as well. This one is also in a good condition here. Let's go check out the engine.
Alright, here we go. Inside right now, let's review it from here. Let me start the key, button on. Lights are on as you can see here. Let's start the engine. Alright, the engine started very smoothly, no problems at all. Let's try to accelerate and listen to the engine. Look out at the RPMs. Let's check out their movement. One more time. Can you hear the sound of the engine? Sounds normal. The RPMs go up very smoothly as well. Everything looks just fine. Let me show you from here. Perfect. The brake is also good. Clutch. Now it should be working.
스마트 러닝머신 고고런에서
Okay, now it's working.
손상모 캡
Alright, so the radio working just fine. Let's try the AC. Okay, oh, wind is blowing really strong. Perfect. And it's coming out cold as well. So yep, AC is working just fine. Let's check out the windows here. We got window control for all of the 4 windows. Let's try it out. This one works just fine. Other side also works just fine. This side as well, no problem at all. Check the last side. This one is also functioning very well, very good. Let's check out the seats over here. We got this seat as well. Here we go, I just opened the engine room here. Let's take a look at it. No smoke, no oil's coming out. So everything looks good here at the engine side.
Esta es BUSYMAN.KR, empresa comercializadora de automóviles usados. Vendemos autos a bajo precio y los enviamos al puerto donde lo desee. Suscríbete, dale me gusta y configura una alerta en este canal de YouTube. Contáctanos por nuestro sitio web o por WhatsApp Messenger. Buen auto y buen precio. BUSYMANKR. El número de teléfono celular es más 8210-7353-2398. Si está interesado en este automóvil, contáctenos. El sitio web es BUSYMANKR. El número de teléfono es más 8210-7353-2398. Suscríbete, dale me gusta y configura una alerta en este canal de YouTube. Si subo otro video, te lo haré saber. Gracias.